Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So we finally made it, 10,000 subscribers. Now before we get into this, I know that I have an international audience. And so the first thing I want to say is, thank you. ขอบใจหลายๆพี่น้อง ขอบคุณครับ Muchas gracias. Bahut shukriya. Mariming salamat. แต่เชี่ยเชี่ยละ Merci beaucoup. Kamsahamnida. Dankeschön. Arigato. Grazie mille. Большое спасибо. Mutasakir. Efaristo Boli. Now, if I didn't get this pronunciations correct, my apologies. And if I did miss your country, just know that I'm always thankful and grateful for your support. And so whenever I uploaded my very first video on YouTube back in 2013, and then later on, whenever I started this whole Geek Outdoors thing in 2015, I never could have predicted where this would end up. Now, at least for me, 10,000 subscribers or double digits is a huge milestone, because just a few months ago, I actually uploaded a video where I've been on YouTube doing Geek Outdoors for 4 years and I still have less than 10,000 subscribers. But now that I've gotten past that double digit milestone, thanks to you, it really tells me that the content that I'm creating is giving you some type of value all around the world. And my hope and mission is to continually create content that not only you enjoy, but most importantly, that you learn from and that help you grow and myself grow in the future. So that's just really my quick thoughts on reaching this 10,000 subscriber milestone. And I'm so thankful for all of you here watching the videos, sharing them, sharing your own ideas and thoughts, and really helping me to become a better creative geek and just a better person in general, so I could create more for you. So that is it on this episode. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on another episode. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Go Content Creators group, where you get access to additional videos and content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Go Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.